Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we're taking you to the magical winter wonderland of Finland. From breathtaking snowy landscapes to cozy winter activities, we've got it all covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing travel videos. Alright, let's dive into the adventure. Let's go to the videos. Winter in Finland is known for its extreme cold, snow-covered landscapes, and the magical beauty of the northern lights. The season typically lasts from November to April, with temperatures ranging from around 5°C-23°F in southern Finland to as low as 30°C-22°F in the northern parts like Lapland. Number 1. Weather and climate. Temperatures in southern regions like Helsinki, average winter temperatures hover between 5°C and 15°C, but it can drop lower. In the northern parts of Finland, especially around Lapland, temperatures often plummet to 20°C or even lower. Snow begins to fall in November, blanketing the entire country. In Lapland, snow can last for over 6 months, making it a winter wonderland for most of the year. Darkness. Winter days are short, particularly in the north. The sun may not rise at all for several weeks, a phenomenon known as the polar night combos. However, it's balanced by the stunning natural light shows of the northern lights. Number 2. Finland is one of the best places in the world to witness the northern lights. The phenomenon is especially frequent in Finnish Lapland, where clear skies and long winter nights offer ideal conditions for viewing. The lights are visible about 200 nights a year in Lapland, especially between September and March. Number 3. Winter activities. Skiing and snowboarding. Finland offers excellent opportunities for downhill skiing and cross-country skiing. Resorts like Levi, Ruka, and Yils are popular destinations for winter sports enthusiasts. Dog sledding, a quintessential Lapland experience. Dog sledding across snow-covered forests and frozen lakes is a thrilling adventure. Snowmobiling. Snowmobiles are a common way to explore Finland's frozen landscapes, with tours available across the country. Ice swimming and sauna. Finns have a tradition of combining a relaxing sauna session with a quick dip in icy waters. Known as avanto ice swimming, it's invigorating and believed to be good for health. Reindeer and husky safaris. Visitors can go on reindeer sleigh rides or husky sled safaris, providing a unique way to experience the wilderness. Ice fishing. Finland's frozen lakes offer the perfect environment for ice fishing, a popular pastime during the winter months. Number 4. Christmas and Santa Claus. Rovaniemi, in Finnish Lapland, is often referred to as the official hometown of Santa Claus. Santa Claus Village is a popular destination where you can meet Santa, cross the Arctic Circle, and experience the magic of Christmas year-round. Christmas markets are also common in many cities, including Helsinki, featuring festive food, crafts, and decorations. Number 5. Snow-covered roads. In Finland, snow-covered roads are a common feature during the winter months, especially in the northern regions. However, the country is well prepared for winter conditions, and there are specific measures in place to ensure road safety even during heavy snowfall. Here's an overview of what to expect with snowed roads in Finland. Number 6. Road maintenance. Snow removal and plowing. Snowplows work continuously during and after snowfalls to keep major roads clear. In cities and towns, snowplows and grit trucks operate day and night, ensuring that main roads, highways, and streets remain passable. Gritting and sanding. Roads are treated with gravel, sand, or grit to improve traction on icy surfaces. In urban areas, this also applies to sidewalks and bike paths. However, salt is less commonly used compared to other countries to protect the environment. Priority roads, main highways and roads with heavy traffic are prioritized for snow removal. Remote and rural roads may not be cleared as frequently, but are usually well maintained nonetheless. Number 7. Winter tires. Mandatory use. Winter tires are mandatory in Finland from December to February, but many drivers start using them as early as November, depending on weather conditions. Winter tires can be either studded or non-studded friction tires. Studded tires provide better grip on icy roads, while friction tires are quieter and cause less wear on road surfaces. Tire change culture. Finns are highly diligent about switching to winter tires before the snow season starts, ensuring vehicles are equipped for snowy or icy conditions. Number 8. Driving in winter conditions. Lower speed limits. In winter, speed limits are often reduced on highways and other roads to accommodate for slippery surfaces and reduced visibility. Finnish drivers adjust their driving speed according to conditions, often driving well below the posted limit during heavy snowfall or icy conditions. Adaptive driving. Drivers are accustomed to snowy roads and are generally very cautious, maintaining safe distances between vehicles and making use of low gears for better control on slippery slopes. Headlights and visibility. It's required to have headlights on at all times during the winter due to reduced daylight hours and potential visibility issues caused by snow or fog. Number 9. Public transportation. Efficient public transit. Buses and trains in Finland are well prepared for winter. Buses operate on cleared routes, and train services are designed to cope with snow and cold temperatures. Winter tires on buses. Public buses are equipped with winter tires and snow chains where needed, ensuring that transportation can continue even during heavy snowstorms. Number 10. Fully snow-covered landscape in Finland. A fully snow-covered landscape in Finland is a breathtaking sight, especially during the peak of winter when the entire environment is blanketed in a thick layer of pure white snow. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast, untouched snowfield where the snow covers everything in sight. The ground is a smooth, pristine sheet of white, stretching out to the horizon, reflecting the soft winter light. Snow-laden pine and spruce trees stand tall, their branches heavy with snow, creating a magical, almost fairy tale forest backdrop. The trees' dark green needles contrast beautifully with the brilliant white snow, and some trees appear as if they're wearing thick snow coats, transforming into rounded, surreal shapes. In the distance, you can see gently rolling hills and frozen lakes, the surface of the lakes hidden beneath the snow, blending seamlessly with the snowy landscape around them. Occasionally, you may spot the tracks of animals like reindeer or foxes crisscrossing the snow, hinting at life beneath the silence. The air is crisp and cold, and the snow crunches softly underfoot. The sky may be a clear, pale blue, casting a serene glow over the scene, or it might be overcast, with thick clouds that seem to promise more snowfall. If you're lucky, you might even catch a glimpse of the northern lights, their vibrant greens and purples dancing in the sky above, adding to the otherworldly beauty of the frozen landscape. Hope you enjoyed our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next amazing video.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get